Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of 360-degree cameras, where innovation is constantly pushing the limits of content creation. The action camera industry has seen incredible advancements, with major players like GoPro and DJI consistently setting new standards. However, Insta360 has been a pioneer in the 360-degree camera market, and now, as rumors about the Insta360 X5 surface, anticipation is at an all-time high. Insta360 X5, a new era of 360 degrees camera technology. With each new release, Insta360 has managed to push the boundaries of what's possible with 360-degree content creation. The Insta360 X3 set new standards in video stabilization and usability, while the X4 refined these aspects further. Now, the X5 is expected to take things to the next level, offering significant hardware and software upgrades that could revolutionize the industry. 1. Enhanced lens protection and durability. One of the biggest concerns with 360-degree cameras is the vulnerability of their protruding lenses. The Insta360 X4 introduced removable lens guards, similar to UV filters found on traditional cameras. However, the X5 is rumored to take durability to the next level with advanced lens protection. This could involve a stronger, more impact-resistant material, ensuring that the delicate lenses remain intact even in extreme shooting conditions. 2. Larger sensor for unparalleled image quality. The Insta360 X4 featured a 0.5-inch sensor, but the X5 is expected to make a huge leap by incorporating a 1-inch sensor. This upgrade would significantly improve image quality by capturing more light, leading to superior low-light performance and enhanced dynamic range. 3. AI-powered audio enhancements. Audio has always been a challenge for action cameras. Wind noise, ambient interference, and poor microphone placement often lead to subpar sound quality. The Insta360 X5 is rumored to introduce AI-powered noise cancellation and advanced audio processing, similar to what we see in flagship smartphones like the iPhone 16. 4. GPS tracking for immersive storytelling. Another exciting rumor is the inclusion of GPS tracking, a feature recently introduced in the GoPro Hero 13. GPS capabilities allow users to geotag their footage, adding an extra layer of depth to their storytelling. 5. Advanced cooling system for longer recording sessions. Overheating is a common issue with action cameras, especially when recording in high-resolution formats for extended periods. The Insta360 X5 is rumored to incorporate an advanced cooling mechanism, possibly inspired by GoPro's latest heat sink technology. 6. Improved battery efficiency for extended shooting. Battery life is a crucial factor for any action camera. The Insta360 X5 is expected to feature improved power efficiency, reducing the frequency of battery replacements during long shoots. Whether capturing a full day of adventure sports, a road trip, or behind-the-scenes footage, extended battery life would make the X5 a more reliable companion for creators on the go. 7. Competitive pricing strategy. While official pricing details remain speculative, industry experts predict that the Insta360 X5 will be priced between $499 and $599. This strategic pricing would position it as a strong competitor against the GoPro Hero 13 and DJI Osmo 360, redefining the 360 degrees camera market. The Insta360 X5 has the potential to set a new benchmark in the 360-degree camera industry. From superior lens protection and a larger sensor to enhanced audio quality and GPS tracking, this camera could be the game-changer that content creators have been waiting for. The future of 360 degrees content creation. 360-degree cameras are evolving rapidly, and the competition is fiercer than ever. With DJI entering the space with the Osmo 360 and GoPro continuing to refine its lineup, Insta360 must ensure that the X5 not only meets but exceeds expectations. As we await official announcements, excitement continues to build around the Insta360 X5. Will it redefine 360-degree content creation? Will it live up to the hype? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. The future of 360-degree cameras is about to get even more thrilling. Are you excited about the Insta360 X5 and its rumored features? Do you think it will surpass expectations, Or will it face tough competition from DJI and GoPro? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest tech innovations. The next revolution in 360-degree cameras is just around the corner,